In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and select Passwords section. Now it's time to click Add a Password. Following that, input all of those informations. At the top, click on Site and type in any website, or hit Select App and click on the chosen one on the list. Now enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!